So hey guys, this video is going to be so interesting because in this video we are going to discuss about is software development completely dead in 2025? Because now the workflow is completely changed, right? The time that you use to develop a software has reduced significantly. The number of people required to build one software has reduced significantly. Now, like even a team of 2 3 individual or even a single person can develop entire front end back end deployment and do whole lot of system architecture and implement all the workflow, right, and build the complete application in just 2 3 days. So if you already know some skills before 2025, it is high probability that most of the skills are completely changed and even they may not applicable after 2025. So what is important, right? What is beneficial and how we can utilize this ride of AI development where we are using AI for software development, which have increased so much development cost, development time, and saved our energy. And we are able to build amazing websites, amazing applications, amazing software in just few minutes or maybe in few hours. And I will give a quick demo of me using AI to build some software using AI in just few minutes in front of you. So I'm using some AI tools in front of you. I will try to explain to you how do you use it and how you can use it to build some amazing, interesting applications. So this video is going to be so interesting, and I'll expect you to be watching it till the end. It's very important that using AI is good, right? It is not doing something that is completely new. It is doing something that we are already doing in a more efficient way, right? But the thing that you would keep in mind is you should be providing in the context better. Whatever we are trying to do, you should be explaining it in a better way, right? Then only it will be able to give you good results. Now, what is important and what is valuable? So, you should still, software development is not completely dead. The thing is, it has reduced the number of people required to build a software, but again, it has increased the opportunities. Now, as a software developer, a single software developer can work on multiple things or multiple softwares at the same time. And this has increased multiple different opportunities for good software engineers, good software developers. Now, as a software developer, you can work on your project, you can work as a freelance project, you can work for your company, right? And you can use these AI tools. And each AI or each folder will be tracking all those different tasks, right? And there is one the benefit and when there is where the opportunity lies in today's world, right? And coming back again to one important problem, one important thing that I want to discuss is in 2025, you don't have to write code to build your GitHub repository or GitHub profile, right? Because in 2025, that will, after 2025, that will not be of much use, I will say. The real value that will be, that we will be seeing will be on the users. Whether your application, whether your software have users or not. Whatever you build, are you getting users for that or not? And people are actually using it or not? So that is where the most value lies. So you have to use all the AI tools, build all those things, and it is, and you have to see like whether you are able to get user on your platform or not. That is where the value lies, right? And not just for your GitHub repository and filling all those folders and putting the green marks on your web profile. So that I don't think will matter much. But the important and interesting things is vibe coding. Vibe coding. So vibe coding is something that is a term that is basically used for AI development, where AI is developing a software. You're just telling what you have to do, and AI will do it for you. And that is amazing. You have to just tell the context, whatever you want to tell, that is called as context. And you have to do step by step. After each step, it will be giving you some output. And you have to tell it whether this is what you want or not. What changes do you need? Right? Do you need this button to be fixed? Or do you need any other text to be shown to that specific website? Or do you need to change the color? Or do you need to change the design? It will do everything for you. Now let's come to a interesting part, that is a quick demo. So I will demonstrate you like how you can use the AI tools to build AI applications or to build some any software applications in few minutes. And this is so cool. So we'll give you a quick demo in front of you, and this will be very quick and interesting.
This entire application is built, this portfolio is built, right? It will be very useful for someone who is looking to build a portfolio or something, or suppose say some company or something who want to pay for this can easily give you good money for, you can charge good money to build something like this for them. It also have a footer. So yeah, so hope this video was helpful for you and you learned some amazing things from this video. We'll catch up in next video. Till then, let me know in the comments down below what are the issues that you face in using cursor and these AI tools, and what other videos can I make. Do let me in the comments down below. See you. Goodbye.